There are so many FPV simulators that has been released lately, and Tryp is another one, and it promises great graphics. There are some things I like about it, but there are also some things that really needs improving. Stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. The Tryp FPV simulator is a bit of a letdown. It is not great physics. It's sort of slow and floaty and it doesn't feel right. There's something really off about it. But there are some potential for this simulator to be very cool. It has some great offerings. You can take up challenges such as dives and chases, which is really cool, and I actually like that part about it. Unfortunately, that's where it ends. The racing modes feels lacking, to be honest. The maps are somewhat cool. They are very large and very pretty, and you can use a map feature to sort of go around the map and start in different areas, and you can set custom points to go there as well. If you're comparing it to Velocidrone, you are gonna find it very lacking in the physics. They are not very realistic, and it is not a racing simulator by any means. Mind you, it does have better graphics than Velocidrone, but I don't think it matters when it comes to racing. With both Liftoff and Uncrashed, they both have better physics than Tryp does, and Uncrashed also have some amazing graphics that's comparable to Tryp. Why even consider this simulator? I'd say if you are in it for the long run, it is still in early access and it does have some potential to be very good. I think the strength of Tryp lies in the challenge modes, where you are presented with a challenge. It could be dive a certain place, or maybe chase a motorcycle, or follow a skydiver or something. That is very cool, and it is really something that I hope that the other simulators actually would incorporate. It is so much fun having to try to follow a challenge of some sort and trying to get the best shot possible in the cinematic part of the simulators. I got a questionnaire recently where they asked some optimization questions, and that is very good to see. They are listening and they want to improve the optimization to make it run better on more machines. I hope that they will improve on the challenge modes as well. There are still some things I don't like about it, like the dive challenge of, for instance, that is also just basically a racing course, so you don't have unlimited time. You have to be very fast, so it's more geared towards trying to get the fastest time to dive instead of just going through the small gaps or something like that. What do you think of Tryp Simulator? Have you tried it, or are you on the fence about it? So leave a comment down below, and also if you'd like to know more about the Uncrashed, you should check this video out here. And as always, let's get out there and get flying.